Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one healthy recipe which you guys can make it at your home. So this is basically a diet recipe. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Kabuli Channa biryani at your home. So for this recipe, what you need here, I added some chickpeas. So this is the boiled chickpeas. So I added 1 cup of chickpeas. So into this, I'm going to cook in this pan only. So this is a big pan, so we can make biryani very easily. So in these chickpeas, I'm going to add all the masalas first. First, I'm going to add some chili powder. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chili powder into this. I'm going to add a little bit more. So this is done. And now I'm going to add the cinnamon stick, that is the dalchini. And I'm going to add some dahi. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dahi into this. And it's time to add some salt. And so I added 2 tablespoons of dahi, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. It gives a nice flavor in the biryani. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon. So I added 2 tablespoons. So this is also done. And it's time to add some fresh mint leaves. And I'm going to add some fresh mint leaves and some chopped coriander. Hey guys, I added some chopped coriander, hara dhania into this. Hey guys, I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It gives a nice color. And I'm going to add 3 green chilies. So everything is done guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some oil. So you can use olive oil or vegetable oil, any oil guys. Today I'm going to use the canola oil. So for the marination, we are adding the oil. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to mix these things together. Hey guys, I'm going to mix these things together. Nice aroma guys. So our marination is done, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the soaked basmati rice. So that basmati rice should be soaked at least for 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah. Hey guys, here is the soaked basmati rice, and I'm going to add this basmati rice into this big kadai along with the marination. And for 1 cup of basmati rice, you have to add 1.5 cup of water. So I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. Hey guys, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water into this, and I'm going to cook this one biryani. First you have to cook this biryani in the high flame for 5 minutes. Then after that you have to cook in the low flame for 20 to 25 minutes like dum. So yeah. So I'm going to cover this one with the lid. Hey guys, now I'm cooking this biryani in a high flame for 5 minutes, and I cover this one with the lid. So after 5 minutes, you have to cook this one in a very low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Hey guys, so after 5 minutes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep my low flame, and you have to cook for another 20 minutes, and your biryani will be ready guys. And this is basically a one pot meal. I didn't use anything. You can see I used only this pan, and this is a 1 pot meal biryani, guys. So yeah, so we have to wait for another 20 minutes. My biryani will be ready. Hey guys, so after 20 minutes, I'm going to remove this one. Wow, my pearl rice biryani is ready. And so can you see, guys, what's the color of the biryani? It came out very well. Now I'm going to mix. So I'm going to mix. Wow, so yummy, guys. So this is done, and it's time to put it in the serving bowl. Hey guys, so this is the quick video of how to make a healthy Kabuli Channa biryani at your home. And today I made this raita also. So this is cucumber and tomato raita. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make Kabuli Channa biryani at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.